If you're a wedding professional, you have to learn how to talk to your brides. And guess what? Your brides, they don't talk to you anymore. They talk to this. Are you listening to me? Are you being a millennial right now? You have to speak bride. Here are 5 ways that you can better your communication with your clients. First of all, understand that millennials are not really speaking to you, they're speaking to this. This is your primary form of communication. Email is dying. You can't send long, massive emails to clients and expect them to read it. They don't. When I get a lead in, I do respond via email, but I also send them a text message. Sometimes I'll even look them up on Instagram and talk to them there. I'll hop on Instagram, say, hey, did you get that email? Oh no, I didn't get the email yet. Let me go get to it. If they call you, call them back. If they email you, email them back. If they find you on Instagram, Instagram them back. Once you have clients, you still have to communicate with them. Here's what I started doing that you can try to do right now. Make videos to tell your clients what's happening next. If you want to let them know the best practices for engagement sessions, don't send them to an FAQ page. Send them an FAQ video. Use it on social media to get new clients. Use it with your emails in order to communicate to your existing clients. Use video. In fact, check out this. Oh, I'm getting a phone call. Hi, this is Vanessa speaking. They hung up on me. They should have texted before they called anyway. Go to this link right here at www.animoto.com/Vanessa-Joy. Vanessa? That's my new name, Vanessa. You will see examples of marketing videos that I have made to communicate to my clients, to put on social media, to get new clients. I hope it inspires you. Get on Facebook, get on Instagram, and get on Snapchat, maybe. But wherever you are, trust me, your clients are listening to you there. Make sure that what you're putting out there on social media is exactly what you want your clients to think of you. Number 4, be fast. You know, we used to be able to answer emails in 24 hours. Not anymore. An hour. An hour is ideal. And that seems impossible. So, you know, get a client management system. I use 17 Hats. It's great. Get an assistant. I use Jay. You can't have her. I think the average acceptable time, 5 hours. It's not 24 anymore. So if you're shooting a wedding, your bride doesn't actually care. Well, the bride that you're shooting the wedding cares. Number 5, tell them what's next. Always be looking down the line. Don't just say, hey, your proofs are ready. Yay. No, say, hey, your proofs are ready. Your next step is to come do your album design with me. Lead them in the conversation. Lead them to what's happening next. You never leave them guessing. Respond to your clients as fast as possible. Speaking of your branding, you can download this free ebook, 9 Secret Ways to Brand Your Business, and that will help you put your best foot forward on social media and everywhere else. Like what you see? Join us here and hit subscribe on that button below so you don't miss a thing on Adorama TV and with my show, Breathe Your Passion. And leave some comments, leave some love. I want to know if you're listening. I want to know what you want to hear. And please, don't be negative. Or you're going to be negative anyway. Comment below. Be negative. It boosts my algorithms every time. You internet troll, you.